Hello friends, today we will discuss some MCQs for BPSC PT which are very important. Question number 1. Which of the following union ministries recently launched the EVA 2 scheme in 2022? A. Health and Family Welfare Ministry, B. Education Ministry, C. Ayush Mantralaya, D. More than one of the above. And E option is also there, that is none of the above. Answer is Education Ministry. The Ministry of Home Affairs completed the Mother Tongue Survey in India in November 2022 with field videography of how many languages? A. 40, B. 233, C. 576, D. More than one of the above, E. None of the above. Answer is C. 576. Question number 3. Which of the following committees submitted a report on gas pricing recommending complete pricing freedom from January 1, 2026? A. Arun Goyal Committee, B. Kirit Parikh Committee, C. P.K. Mohanty Committee, D. More than one of the above, E. None of the above. Answer is B. Kirit Parikh Committee. Now some questions from history. Which one of the following was a journal brought out by Abul Kalam Azad? A. Comrade, B. Al Hilal, C. Jamindar, D. More than one of the above, E. None of the above. Answer is B. Al Hilal. Next question. How did the study of history help in creating a feeling of nationalism in India towards the end of 19th century? A. By reinterpreting history and refuting the British portrayal of Indians as backward, primitive and incapable of governing themselves. B. By writing about India's glorious past and urging people to take pride in their achievement. C. By urging people to struggle and change the miserable conditions of life under British rule. D. More than one of the above, E. None of the above. Answer is D. More than one of the above. Next question. Who is the founder of All India Harijan Sangh in 1932? A. Jagjeevan Ram, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, D. More than one of the above, E. None of the above. Answer is B. Mahatma Gandhi. Next question. Who saved the life of Gandhi ji in Bihar during Champaran Satyagraha? A. Batak Mian, B. Hamid Ansari, C. Ravindra Pathak, D. More than one of the above, E. None of the above. Answer is Batak Mian. Next question. The Swadeshi and boycott were adopted as methods of struggle for the first time during the A. Visit of the Simon Commission to India, B. Partition of Bengal, C. Home Rule League, D. More than one of the above, D. E. None of the above. Answer is B. Partition of Bengal. Next question. The phrase equality before law used in Article 14 of the Indian Constitution has been borrowed from the Constitution of A. Britain, B. USA, C. France, D. More than one of the above, E. None of the above. Answer is A. Britain. Next question. What was the duration of making of the Indian Constitution? A. 1 year 10 months 12 days, B. 2 years 10 months and 5 days, C. 2 years 11 months and 18 days, D. More than one of the above, E. None of the above. Answer is C. 2 years 11 months and 18 days. The Council of Ministers in a state is collectively responsible to A. the Chief Minister, B. the Governor, C. the Legislative Assembly, D. More than one of the above, E. None of the above. Answer is the Legislative Assembly. Next question. The minimum age for contesting elections to the Panchayati Raj institutions should be how many years according to the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act? A. 21 years, B. 25 years, C. 18 years, D. More than one of the above, E. None of the above. Answer is A. 21 years. Next question. The representation in the Rajya Sabha includes A. Members directly elected by citizens. B. Members indirectly elected by citizens through their representatives. C. Members nominated by the President of India. D. More than one of the above. E. None of the above. Answer D. More than one of the above.